Okay, so here we are, and I'm going to show you guys the Kennedy's life and key people presentation. So we're going to walk through this together. And so here we are. A couple of tips for reading, just things that you guys probably already are aware of, but just in case, here you go. Let's make sure this stuff works. This is what I'm really interested to see.
Oh, do look around you, my lady. Reconsider. Camelot is unique. And we have, by far and away, the most...
Okay, so a key to the subtitle here on the book, The End of Camelot. Okay, so Camelot is a mythical story about King Arthur. And so here is a link that shows you the full synopsis of what this is all about. So Camelot, King Arthur prepares to meet his bride Guinevere. And then there's Merlin, the magician, and all those people. If you've ever read any Arthurian legends, pretty much the entire cast is in here. And so Guinevere is nervous because she's going to meet the king for the first time. Arthur is also nervous. They're both hiding in the woods. Then they meet each other by chance, and then Arthur wins her over. So basically that's what this is talking about. Of course, things don't end well with Camelot. Guinevere has an affair with the knight Sir Lancelot and all of that. And so that kind of brings about some of the downfall and makes them come into conflict. Let's make sure these other things work too. If we click here, you can take a look at the actual interview that was done with Jackie Kennedy in Time magazine after Kennedy's death. So that's that. You guys can go back and read that later if you like. So we have 4 essential questions that we're going to be working on over the course of this unit while we're reading this book. One is, of course, who is JFK and why does he persist as our most popular president? And then I'm going to show you guys a little poll here so we can take a little look, kind of figure out some things about why Kennedy was the most popular and then who else was ranked highly up there. And so you can kind of see the differences in the percentages too. And then our second essential question is, was there a conspiracy to kill JFK? Some say yes and some say no. So we're going to watch this quick video here.